Today we will be talking about the present tense and verbs. So train your English voice with present tense and adverbs. When we talk about the present tense, we are talking about actions happening now or general truths. And an adverb explains more about the verb. But what is a verb? Verbs are the action words in a sentence. So, today we'll be having a look at verbs in the present tense plus adverbs. So, let's have a look at some examples. Number 1. A snail is slow. Number 2. A snail moves slowly. So, in this sentence, moves is the verb and slowly is the adverb. An adverb talks about how something happens. Let's have a look at number 3. He is speaking to his students. And number 4, he is speaking slowly to his students. So, let's have a look at that sentence one more time. He is speaking to his students. How is he speaking? He is speaking slowly to his students. Or he is speaking quickly to the students. Slowly and quickly are direct opposites. So, let's have a look at some examples of more opposite adverbs. Slowly, quickly, loudly, quietly, happily, sadly. Now, let's practice using these opposite adverbs in sentences. Slowly. She walks slowly. Quickly. He runs quickly. Loudly. The music is playing loudly. Quietly. She reads quietly. Happily. He watches TV happily. And sadly. I sadly walk home. And another great example of opposite adverbs are rudely and politely. So let's also practice using those opposite adverbs in sentences. Politely. He politely declined the invitation to the party. Rudely. They rudely talked to me.